Welcome back to episode number 2 of Adam's got no fridge because it's broke and he's having to survive on store cupboard stuff. Or basically anything that doesn't need refrigerating or freezing. I'm filming this on the 16th, so all going well, tomorrow's the 17th, new fridge freezer. And in this episode, I thought I would explore this stuff. Chicken in white sauce. It's a pretty unremarkable product, if I'm honest. It's just basically cooked chicken in a bland, gloopy white sauce. But it's cheap and it's accessible. And it doesn't need the fridge. In my youth, when I was about 18, right, I just moved out, got my own place. I relied on this stuff a lot. I remember plenty of times that this stuff saved me from hunger. I used to have it with like packet rice, but I didn't really do anything with it. So it was bland. So we're gonna zhuzh it up a bit and make it tasty. And there's plenty of options out there. I've just got these two for comparison. We're only gonna use one. Lidl's Own, that was £1.49, I think. And Prince's one, that was from B&M's. That was £1.69. Beaver now still got their essentials range, and I think that was £1.25 for their can. So you can make this like super cheap. So we're going to make a really nice creamy chicken pasta. Super easy, super cheap, done in no time. First I'm going to weigh up the pasta. Now you could use whatever pasta you like really. I've just gone for penne. Pays your money, takes your choice. Next thing I'm going to do is get the onions and the broccoli sort of diced up. The onion, you can chop it however you like. I'm just going to slice it, keep it nice and simple. And with the broccoli, first I'm going to take off the florets, usual drill, but don't throw away the stalk. You can eat that. I'll take 1 or 2 inches off the bottom because that can be a bit woody. I'll peel it as well because the outside skin can be a bit tough. And then we can dice that up and use it. Eat it, it's good stuff. Plenty of vitamins, don't waste it. Everything's sliced and diced. Let's get some oil in the pan. Then we get the gas on, then straight in with the onions. But I'm also going to add in the diced up stalks because they will take a bit of cooking. I use onions a lot in my food. I think we all do though, don't we? Just think how screwed a lot of recipes would be without onions and garlic. God bless the allium. And of course we want to saute these down for, I'd say about 10-15 minutes. So everything gets nice and soft. Meanwhile, I'm going to get my pasta water on. Right, so the onions are not far off now. They're starting to turn translucent and go nice and soft. Pasta water's boiling, just in the nick of time. I'm going to go in with a hefty pinch of salt. You might think it's a lot, but pasta needs it. And then straight in with the pasta. Cook the pasta to packet instructions, less probably 1 minute, because I'm going to finish cooking it in here with everything else. And here is some obligatory footage of Moggs, who's decided to sleep in the dirty washing basket today. Whilst the pasta's cooking away, I'm going to add my chicken in white sauce. The beauty of this stuff is it's already cooked, so you only really need to warm it through. Make sure you get it all out. There's not a lot of chicken in here, so you need every last morsel. Then I'm going to add some of this, which is garlic flavoured cream cheese. Now I know cheese needs refrigerating, but don't matter because we're going to use the lot. Less the bit that I decided to snaffle for myself. Out the tub like a heathen. So get that in. Then I'm going to season this up with a bit of pepper. A lot of pepper because I love it. Just a little pinch of salt. I'm not going to go too salt heavy because there's salt in that pasta water, so we'll adjust it if we need it. And then on a low heat, I'm just going to warm all of that through. Nice and gently. You don't want to like batter that chicken around because it is quite tender as it is. Once the pasta's like 2-3 minutes away, I'm going to chuck in the broccoli florets. Because I want to cook these pretty much most of the way because otherwise they'll be raw in that, won't they? Next I'm going to slice up my lemon. You only need half of this. With the other half, just stick it in your G&T, stick it in your lemonade, or like just slice it up, put it in some water. You've got a nice, healthy, vitamin C boosted drink. Squeeze it right in, whilst you don't, make sure you catch the pips because you don't want to bite into one of those. It's going to break your tooth. And just that little hint of lemon, it's going to brighten things up. And I'm going to chuck in some fresh basil. I'm going to shred that up. You don't have to add that. Tarragon's also nice, or use whatever herbs you've got. Now the pasta and broccoli are done. So I'm going to start ladling that into the sauce. Start mixing that through, and if you want to thin out the sauce a little, just add some of the pasta water. Okay, that's why we didn't add salt, because that's got plenty of salt in it. And there you have a creamy chicken pasta that, well, cost bugger all really, and I didn't have to rely on my stupid broken fridge to get a good meal. And it's turned what can only be described as an uninspiring tin of chicken goop. It's something good. The thing that makes that is that touch of lemon. It just kind of like lifts everything up. I just wish I'd have had the skills to cook this back when I was 18. You saw how easy it was, absolute piece of cake. And this will happily feed 2 very hungry adults. Whack some garlic bread with it, it'll stretch to 3. But I'm gonna shoot off and finish this. If you enjoyed the video, do the usual, like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment down below as well, I like talking to you. And I'll see your lovely faces next time. And bye for now. Come on then, bud. Come on.